I'm David. I'm with a company called Applied Research Associates. We're a big defense contract company, but we stepped out into the civilian market and built an application for paintball and airsoft. This app kind of allows you to do is battle track you, your friends. It allows referees to be able to host games and have two different teams playing each other. This allows you to keep score, keep time of the event while you're playing. There's a lot of things about this app that it's not out yet. It's coming out in around March timeframe. It's called StrikeRing. StrikeRing is a app, again, that is going to be released. It should be that it have an initial version that's free downloadable, and then from there there'd be an in-app purchase that allows you to actually use the function of the app, so that way you can get into all the actual settings and all that stuff. So this is called augmented reality. So how I did that was switch from a 2D map to switching to a see-through camera, and now I'm seeing the location of my friends through a see-through application. I can see my time clock, I can see friendly location, enemy locations, all in a see-through device. And I can also chat and everything right there. Or switch back to the 2D. So that's like the two views that you can use to kind of battle track.
Simply, information is power. That's why today's battlefield apps provide some critical basics, like live GPS data, mapping, and team assignments. As for tomorrow's, we have something a little bigger in mind. Like ensuring real-time PLI, position location information, team messaging, and gameplay status are in easy reach. Delivering advanced mission planning that lets you mark threats, set waypoints to share with your team, create routes, and execute battle orders. And incorporating an exclusive augmented reality heads-up view that features your teammates' call signs, relative position, and distance of every label item. Now, you can have unparalleled situational awareness so you can see the unseen. Play any battlefield game format on any field at any time. And leverage advanced technology developed specifically for professional fighting forces. The future starts now. Where's it all go next? In a word, further. Because it's a platform being built to meet the needs of the entire team and battlefield sports community. And it all starts today. Introducing StrikeRing.
So like I said earlier, guys, StrikeRing.com. You can go to that website and you can see all about us.